Hey everyone! We recently discovered an incredible hidden gem, the Sky Lodge Kandy. It is just 12 kilometers from Peradeniya and offers an amazing full board experience for only 9,000 rupees per person. The rooms had all the basic amenities, were super comfortable, and offered a stunning view of the mountains. The food was absolutely delicious and the service was remarkable. Highlights of the property include an infinity pool with an amazing view and a billiard table for some fun and relaxation. If you're looking for the perfect, affordable getaway with your loved ones, this is the ideal destination. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow us for more similar hotel updates.